Our side window provides a look into many of the local critters, not only those amazingly amusing lizards, but on this particular day, a large number of dragonflies as they bask in the sun and chase after some morsels of food to eat. The sunny days didn't last very long, however. Well, here it is, day 3 of this probably record-breaking rain flow. Everything's pretty much been put to a very slow move on island because of the rain. A lot of places are getting flooded. None of us really remember this heavy of a flow for this long of a time period. It's been different. And the August night air is filled with taiko drumming. Not much moon tonight. Street lights. It's a nice rhythm. The people practicing now who go throughout the streets in the tradition of welcoming and saying goodbye to the spirits that come for 3 days during Omu. It's not only on the fences and streets that we see the local lizards. This little gecko decided to go crawling around the back of our car. There's Kato. I don't know where Jocko is. The clouds have been unusually beautiful this year. Maybe due to all the tropical depressions that have been bouncing around. And with the record rainfall, most people get landslides or floods like they did in Naha. If you look closely at what we get, this little cake of stuff with all the construction, we get thin layers of cement. The boys. Say hi, Jocko! Nice breeze today. As far as this right here when they were working on, that's pretty much all that's been done there. It's really nice weather right now, though. Very nice summer day. You can hear the neighbor cooking in the background. Yeah, they are. Real nice cloud formations. Exceptionally beautiful this year.